welcome to US Decals. We are the leaders in truck signs. In this video, we're going to talk about replacing the signs on an older truck. These signs are worn out. We're going to replace them with fresh signs. It's very important to keep your signs up to date and making sure that they look professional. We're at my trucking school and we're going to be replacing the signs on all of the trucks. We want to make sure that they are compliant and they look nice. Stick around. So we have replaced the signs on this semi truck for a trucking school, and if you can tell, the signs look a lot more professional, a lot more compliant. The CA number and the USDOT follow the guidelines set by the FMCSA. They follow all regulations. In my opinion, I think having good looking signs up to regulation is just as important as your pre-trip inspection. You might check the engine, you might check the axles, you might check the brakes, but remember, also check your USDOT, CA numbers, all your information. You want to make sure that you're compliant, follow all the guidelines set by FMCSA. Not only is the trucking school is going to look good, also the driver. If you have a business, if you have a semi-truck, if you pull a dually, bobtail, semi-truck, you want to make sure that you grow your brand, you grow your business, and then you look good. If you have a phone number, your logo, your website, and your regulation numbers, this is perfect because you're displaying all of your information on a compliant template. Your phone number, website, California CA number, USDOT, whatever you need. Shop our website today. If you have any questions, we have a team of graphics designers that are more than happy to create a logo, replace a logo. Shop our website today. Have a good day.